Hello friends, we see the chapter oscillations here. Now in this chapter we study the graphical representation of SHM. In this chapter you see the displacement, velocity and acceleration. They are the having maximum and minimum value. That is, they have maximum value, minimum value about the mean position, and the motion is simple harmonic motion. They are represented by, that is, acceleration, displacement, velocity. They are represented by sine and cos function. The functions are, sine and cos functions are harmonic function. Therefore the motion is oscillatory motion, harmonic motion. The motion is called as simple harmonic motion. Now today we see the graphical representation of simple harmonic motion. Now here we consider, see the two cases, that is, particle starts from mean position, particle starts from mean position and particle starts from extreme position. Now we consider the expressions. Now we consider the expressions for displacement, acceleration and velocity. Now the expression for displacement is, see, the expression for displacement is x is equal to a sine omega t plus phi. In this case, x represents the displacement, a represents the amplitude, omega represents the angular velocity, t is time and phi is the initial phase, starting phase. Now in this case, theta is equal to omega t plus phi. It is called as the phase angle, or it is called as the phase of SHM. Now see the displacement. Suppose we consider the two cases. First, the particle starts executing SHM from mean position. From mean position, that is, displacement is 0. Now in this case we can say we have the value of displacement when the particle starts from mean position. X is equal to displacement, and which is equal to a sine omega t, that is, phi is 0 at mean position and x is equal to a sine omega t. Therefore we find the velocity, it is rate of change of displacement. It is rate of change of displacement, that is d dt of a sine omega t. A sine omega t. Now here a is constant and derivative of sine function is derivative of this sine omega t. It is omega cos omega t. Therefore it is a omega cos omega t. Now we find the acceleration. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. Therefore d dt of v, that is a omega cos omega t, it is cos omega t, it is the acceleration. Now it can be written as a omega is constant and the derivative of this cos omega t is omega sine omega t, but there is a minus sign. The total acceleration, it is minus a omega square sine omega t. These are the expressions for displacement, velocity and acceleration. Initially we consider particle starts from mean position. Now consider, first we find the values for the one oscillation. Now in this case suppose we consider here, now this is the one oscillation. This is the one oscillation. This is suppose 0, then this is half oscillation, this is the complete oscillation. This is the complete oscillation. Now this is mean position, that is at 0, pi, 2 pi, the particle is at mean position, displacement is 0 here. Now see, suppose here at pi by 2, this is the particle is at extreme position, and at 3 pi by 2 it is at the extreme position. See, in this case, then we consider the axis, or we consider displacement against variation of displacement against the time. In this case, we consider the angles, that is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, etc. Now in this case, again we see the total time taken to complete one complete oscillation, it is called as t. It is called as period, it is called as t. Now this is the half oscillation. This is the again half oscillation, and this is the 0. Now see, when we variation, we consider the variation against the time, then we can say that this having value t by 2, t by 4, this having value, this point having value t by 2, this is again 3t by 4, and this is the t. It gives the total complete oscillation, time taken to complete one oscillation, time taken to complete one oscillation. This is in case of angle, this is in case of time. See again, see, this is the one oscillation here. Suppose we consider a circle, then particle perform, suppose this is the x is equal to 0. Now in this case, this is pi by 2, this is again mean position, it is pi, again it is 3 pi by 2, and it is again 0. It completes one oscillation. It completes one oscillation, that is particle completes one oscillation, t is the period. Time taken to complete one oscillation, it is called as period here. Now at 0 and at pi, the mean position, that is displacement is 0, at pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 displacement is maximum. Now here we consider the functions, that is first we consider angle theta. Theta here, theta, then it is 0, see 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Now the period, that is period is nothing but here period is, see here this angle is theta, we consider period here, and the periods are, see 0, first it is 0, then t by 4, t by 2, 3t by 4 and t. 3t by 4 and t. From this we can see the angle, value of angle and time. See here, this is the one complete oscillation. In case of angle theta, we can write the position of particle, that is 0, pi by 2, pi, here they are at the mean position, then pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, particle is at extreme position. In case of time, t is the period, that is time taken to complete one oscillation. This is half oscillation, again this is half oscillation, therefore we can write here t, half oscillation is t by 2, again half, that of high is t by 4, again it is 3t by 4. Now we form a table, that is function, that is the value at 0, t by 4, t by 2, 3t by 4 and t in one complete oscillation. The angles are 0, pi by 2, pi, 3t by 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Now consider the value of x here. Now see, we have the value here, that is x is equal to a sin omega t. A sin omega t, that is x is equal to a sin omega t. X is equal to a sin omega t. That is, we can see this omega t, it is 0. X is equal to a sine 0. A sine 0 is 0, therefore x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Therefore, we get the first value 0. First value 0. Now again we substitute the value of theta is pi by 2. That is x is equal to a sine pi by 2. Now a sine pi by 2, it is nothing but 1, that is a into 1, and we get x is equal to a here. The next value is a. Again we substitute pi here, we get 0, and we can write the simultaneously value of the displacements are, it is minus a 0. That is displacement having value at these angles are 0, a 0, minus a 0. Now we consider for velocity. Now at velocity we consider the expression for velocity. Expression for velocity, that is v is equal to a omega cos omega t. A omega cos omega t. Now in this case substitute the value of omega t, that is theta is equal to a omega cos theta is equal to 0. Now in this case first value is 0. We can substitute here a omega, it is a omega cos 0, it is a omega. Velocity is equal to a omega. Substitute here, we get a omega here. Now the next value, that is pi by 2. Next value is, suppose v is equal to a omega cos pi by 2, that is we get it is 0. That is velocity is 0 at pi by 2, that is at maximum position, at extreme position velocity is 0. Velocity is 0. Simultaneously we can write the values, that is it is negative value minus a omega 0, then again plus a omega. See the velocity having value, the a omega 0 minus a omega 0 plus a omega. These are the values for velocity when particle initially it is at mean position, it is at extreme position, again mean position, extreme position, mean position. Now the next, that is acceleration. Acceleration having formula, acceleration is equal to minus a omega square sin omega t. Now substitute the first value, that is 0 here, it is minus a omega square sin 0. We get sin 0 is equal to 0. Sin 0 is equal to 0, it is 0, and its total value of acceleration at 0 angle is 0. Therefore acceleration, the first value is 0. Then again substitute pi by 2 here. Again theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta is equal to pi by 2. Sin 90 is equal to 1. It is equal to 1, and we get the value minus a omega square. That is the next value is minus a omega square. We can write the simultaneously value, that is a omega square minus a omega square 0, it is plus a omega square 0. See, these are the values when particle is at mean position, extreme position, at different angle, at different time. See, acceleration, the displacement is initially at 0, at that time velocity at a omega, at that time acceleration is 0. Now we can represent it is by graph. Now we see the graphical representation of simple harmonic motion. It is graphically represented as, see the angles. Suppose it is pi by 2, it is pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Again next 5 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. Then again see the position of displacement at 0, it is 0. Now here we consider the value of amplitude varies from plus or minus a, and here we study the variation of displacement with respect to time, variation of displacement with respect to time. Now see, initially particle is at 0. The displacement is 0. It is at mean position. Now next, it at pi by 2, it having maximum position. Then at pi, it is 0. At 3 pi by 2, it is minus a. And at 2 pi, it is 0. Again, it having maximum value. The displacement, the position or displacement graphically can be represented like this. That is, see, this is the sine function. It can graphically represented as sine. That is, in this case, see, the displacement is a sine omega t, and variation of displacement can be written or can be shown like this. That is, initially particle is at a mean position, then it is at extreme position, then it is at mean position, it is extreme position, mean position and extreme position. The graphically displacement can be shown like this. Now next we show the graphical representation of velocity. The maximum and minimum value of velocity, this is displacement, then velocity. The maximum value of velocity, it is plus a omega, and negative value, extreme value is a omega. Then again we take these values of angle. See, pi by 2, here 0, then pi, then 3 pi by 2, then 2 pi, then 5 pi by 2. Now see how we can show the graphical representation with velocity. Now initial value at mean position at 0, it is maximum here. Now then at pi by 2, it having value 0. That is, at extreme position the velocity is 0. Then at again mean position, it having negative extreme value, that is minus a omega. Again it is 0, then plus a omega, then again it is 0. Now it is graphically represented as, now see, this is like this, and it is the graphical representation of the velocity. That is variation of velocity with respect to time here. Now what is the time here? T is graphical, or T is called as period, that is time taken to complete one oscillation. Now the acceleration can be represented by, see, suppose this is the maximum value of acceleration, it is plus a omega square. This is 0 acceleration. Now this is the minus a omega square. That is, acceleration varies from plus a omega square to minus a omega square. The angles are pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, and 5 pi by 2. Now see the initial value of acceleration, it is 0. That is, at mean position acceleration is 0. Now at pi by 2, it having value minus a omega square. Then again it is 0. Then it is plus a omega square. Then 0. then again it having minus a omega square. Now we draw the graph here. This represents the sine graph here. This is the sine graph. That is, it is variation of acceleration with respect to time, or with respect to angle here. Now here we take the value here capital T, then it is here T by 2, this is T by 4, etc. Now see, the acceleration is varies the maximum and minimum value, that is plus a omega square minus a omega square, and the acceleration can be represented like this. These are three waves. It is called as sine wave, cos wave, etc. Now see, the displacement, it is sine wave, the acceleration, it is sine wave, but it is in the opposite direction. This is the cosine wave. See, this is sine wave, this is sine wave, this is cosine wave. Then conclusion from the graph, we can find, or we can write conclusion from the graph. That is, the conclusions are: the first, the sine, displacement, velocity and acceleration, they are periodic functions. They are periodic functions, that is, after they are repeats after equal interval of time, they are periodic functions. Then the displacement shows the sine wave, this acceleration is also sine function, and velocity is cosine function. Now see, there is, see, in between displacement, there is displacement and velocity, there is a phase change of pi. There is a, here it is 0. Now velocity lags or leads by pi by 2, that is, there is a phase change or phase difference of pi by 2. Again there is a phase difference of pi by 2 between velocity and acceleration. There is phase out of the two waves, that is displacement and acceleration, they are out of phase. That is, this is on the positive side, this is on the negative side. Now these waves repeats after equal interval of time. Now see, from 2 pi it is also repeated equal interval of time, and it is called as periodic function. See, if the next, that is particle starting from the extreme position here. Now next we see particle starts from extreme position. If particle starts, second case, if particle starts from extreme position, the displacement is, first we consider the displacement, and the displacement x is equal to, it is a cos omega t. It having value, that is x is equal to a sin omega t plus pi by 2, it becomes a cos omega t. Now what is the velocity? It is rate of change of displacement. It becomes, that is d dt of a cos omega t. A cos omega t, velocity is equal to a omega, that is a omega sin omega t here, and derivative is minus here, that is velocity having value minus a omega sin omega t. Now the acceleration, this is the value for velocity, this is the value for velocity. Now the third, acceleration is rate of change of velocity, that is d dt of velocity, and d dt of velocity, it is minus a omega, that is sin omega t, it becomes minus a omega square cos omega t. That is, when the particle is at extreme position, if the particle is from extreme position, we get the value, that is x is equal to a cos omega t, velocity is equal to minus a omega sin omega t, and acceleration is minus a omega square cos omega t. Now they can be represented as, now initially we represent the graphically the displacement, that is it is 0, then it having extreme value plus a, it having extreme value minus a, and the angles are, it is suppose pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. The time can be written as, that is it is t, then it is t by 2, it is t by 4 and it is 3t by 4, etc. Now see the first value of, now from this we take the table, that is first function is suppose here 0, then t by 4, next t by 2, then 3t by 4 and t. Now in this case angles are 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi here. Now see the first value of displacement is here. Now substitute 0 in this case a cos, now see suppose x is equal to a cos omega t, a cos omega t, substitute 0 here, x is equal to a cos 0 and a cos 0 is nothing but 1, it is plus a, that is the at 0 displacement is maximum, that is it is a. Now the next value is x is equal to a cos omega t, that is a cos pi by 2, sin 90 is 0, therefore displacement is 0 here. We get the next value, that is a 0, it having next value minus a, 0 plus a. Now again velocity having formula, that is v is equal to minus a omega, it is minus a omega sin omega t. Now in this case substitute 0 here, then sin 0 is 0, velocity at mean position or velocity is 0 here, and we get the first value 0, velocity is 0, the maximum value it is minus a omega, then 0 plus a omega, then 0, and then acceleration having value. Now see acceleration is equal to minus a omega square cos omega t here. Now minus a omega square cos omega t, that is 0, cos 0 is 1, it becomes minus a omega square. Then first value is minus a omega square, it is minus a omega square, then 0 plus a omega square, which is 0, minus a omega square plus a omega square, again it is minus a omega square. We can write the next value like this. Now we get the next graphical representation, that is we have the values, that is see we can represent the displacement, acceleration and velocity in this case. See initially the displacement it having plus a minus a value, then velocity having positive extreme value, that is a omega, that is here it is minus a omega, that is velocity, then it is 0, acceleration having the values minus a plus a omega square, and there is minus a omega square for acceleration. Now initially we find the values for displacement. The displacement varies. Initial value is a, that is maximum. It is maximum here maximum. Then displacement becomes 0. At pi by 2. Then displacement at pi it is minus a. Displacement at pi it is minus a, and then it is 0, then it is plus a. Then if we draw the graph, the graphical representation is like this. At extreme position, displacement varies, that is, it is at extreme position, the displacement is maximum here. Then at pi it is maximum, at 2 pi the displacement is maximum here. Now see, at the velocity, graphical representation of velocity. Consider the time, that is, here we can take here t by 4, pi, t by 2, then 3t by 4, then t. Now see the first value of velocity here. First value of velocity, it is 0. It is 0. Then it varies in minus direction, that is minus a omega. It is minus a omega, then it is 0, then it is plus a omega, then it is 0. If we represented it is graphically, we get like this. This is the graphical representation of velocity when particle perform extreme position. Now in case of acceleration, here we consider again these time functions, that is t by 4, t by 2, then 3t by 4 and t. Now see, initial value of acceleration, it is minus a omega square. It is minus a omega square. Then it is 0. Second value is 0. Then plus a omega square. Plus a omega square, it is 0 and it is minus a omega square. Then if we join this, we get this type of curve, and it is the sine curve or it is the cosine curve for acceleration. Now see, in case of displacement, the maximum and minimum, the graph is shown like this. In case of velocity, the graph is the sine graph. Here the graph is again cosine graph. From there we can say that acceleration, that is displacement, is cosine graph, velocity is sine graph, and acceleration is again cosine graph. Here it is cosine graph, this is cosine graph, this is sine graph. Now conclusion from the graph, we find or we can conclude the following things, that is, these are the harmonic function, or the displacement, velocity and acceleration are represented by sine and cos functions. Now see, in case of displacement and velocity, in case of displacement and velocity, they are differ by, there is phase difference of pi here. Now in case of velocity and acceleration, the phase difference is again pi by 2. Then suppose the displacement and velocity, they are out of, there is phase difference of pi, they are out of phase, and these functions or this displacement, velocity and acceleration repeats after equal interval of time. This is all about the particle. If the particle starts from extreme position, the displacement, the position of displacement, velocity and acceleration can be shown graphically like this. Now see, we can conclude here, that is, the displacement and velocity and acceleration, see, in this case again they are out of phase, then there is phase difference of pi by 2, here phase difference of pi by 2, and displacement and acceleration are out of phase. In this case also, displacement and acceleration, they are out of phase, and each graph repeats after equal interval of time. This is one variation, this is again one variation. This is all about graphical representation of simple harmonic motion, that is the quantities displacement, velocity and acceleration. Thank you.